we're here to very proudly launch the Philippines market for Performix, which will be our 31st market in the world. And we hope to tell our partners and our clients kind of what Performix is about and what we can actually help them achieve.
The company has been around for 15 years. It's got performance at the heart of everything it does. It's got a mindset from a search perspective. However, it cross-sends across all different parts of digital, whether that's social, that's display, production, that's content, or whether it's mobile. In an area like Asia, where it's growing exponentially, it's solely important that we continue to grow as a network.
Thanks for participating in our event. We're excited to be part of the Philippines family, and we think our future is very bright.